About a week ago, when we were still at the St. Lucie Lock Marina, we came back from a day's outing, and as soon as we came on the boat, we realized the air conditioners weren't running. So I looked at our panel, and all the lights were lit, the AC electrical panel. So I didn't understand why they weren't working, but I went ahead and shut all the breakers off to reset things, and when I turned the breakers back on, none of the indicator lights came on with it, which meant we had no power. And then I looked at our DC battery bank monitor. We were down to 86%, and we're plugged into a dock, so that shouldn't happen. We should stay at 100%. And so that let me know we'd been without power for a little while, and our freezer was already starting to thaw out. Don't understand any of that, but I went out to the dock and turned the breaker on and off, unplugged it, plugged it back in, and it started working. So we got power. I powered everything back up, but our aft air conditioner wouldn't come back on. So don't know what happened. I'm gonna try to find out. All right, I confirmed we have power coming off of the main circuit breaker for the air conditioner, which means the problem is either in the wire in between or here at the air conditioner. So I'm gonna check that next, make sure the power is getting to the air conditioner. But I wanted to show y'all what I have to do to get to this air conditioner. It's in this closet here. Which is where we normally hang all our clothes. Or maybe I should say where Marie hangs her clothes. So I have to remove all the clothes, plus the spare air conditioning filters that we store in that closet, plus all the buckets of spare parts and shoes and all kinds of other stuff that we store in that closet. All that just so I can check the voltage on the air conditioner.
Are you bragging about how many clothes I have?
I'm not sure if bragging's the right word to use, but yeah, I'm talking about all the clothes you have. I'd say that's a likely suspect. Alright, so we're going to replace that wire. And let's cross our fingers and hope that was the problem. If not, what to do some more investigation. So on this old cable, it has this part, I actually don't know what they're called, but it's so you can stick a second wire on it. And then you have two wires hooked to the same prong. I thought I had some of these, but I don't. So that means that I've got to put everything back in the closet and wait until I can get to a marine supply store to get some more of these things, and then take everything back out and replace this wire. So hopefully when I do that I'll fix it, but unfortunately that's not going to be today because I don't have any of these on board. The weather's predicted to be a little windy for the next few days, and we don't want to be out in Biscayne Bay when it's real windy. So we've found this nice little spot it's called the Marine Stadium, Anchorage in Miami. You can see Miami off behind me there, and it's got lots of boats in it on both sides of us. We're just surrounded by boats, and you get to listen to lots of Latin music, and it's a beautiful little spot. So I like it, as long as you don't mind the crowd. It's a fun place to anchor, and it comes complete with food delivered to your boat. Cool. We have a slight leak in one of the new windows we put in, although it was the very first window we put in some years ago in the forward head. So we are rebedding that.
So Ron is going to run some trash over to, there's some trash cans on the beach. We have a couple of the like grocery size bags he's going to run over. And we are in Miami. Need a little bit more? Probably ought to get started first. You meant to come get the line? Because I don't think you want to be drifting off.
Always roll back.
That's true. It's not too far from shore to shore. Might have to play Frogger. Got to put that stuff in there that we bought.
Thanks for watching.